I'm no stranger to the speed shopping. I just arrived at Antique Gallery USA in Denton, Texas. I have under an hour to shop. Unfortunately, this place looks huge. There's also a place down the street, like in the same district, shopping, whatever. I'm totally crazed. I'm desperate in need of electrical tape. I have a live wire situation happening. I feel like a live wire right now. All right, let's start it off. I know I don't have much time. That's kind of neat. $5. I guess I have all the time in the world, technically, because I don't even have a hotel. I would like to make it out of Texas today, though. I love that peacock brooch. And then I see a head vase over here. Something's a little off about this. Oh, Japan. 24 though. It's got some paint loss. Look at this sassy thing. $10? That's so cheap. 40% off all items. The dresser box is neat. $20, 40% off. Yeah, $12. That's a really good price. I wonder how well that would do. It's kind of fabulous. Oh, that mirror is neat. I love the pattern on that. I'm like barely looking at cases because I just have so little time and I'm kind of hopped up, honestly. I'm trying to decide what to do with my evening. Love what's happening here. But you know, I only have eyes for this. $18. Dang, it's super repaired. Otherwise, I would grab that even at 18. I've never seen that. And it's the cat. That's fabulous. That's a bummer. Oh, that one hurts. I'm like taking it personally. Fun little Western booth. The Cowgirls. Now we're talking. 45. Just kidding. Yikes. She is great though. Well, here's something I haven't seen in like a few thousand miles. Giant swung glass vase. More of the little cowboy and cowgirl motif stuff. This is a really cool canister set. 45 though. A few things here catch my eye. One is this weird squirrel. $13.50. All right, next is the spaghetti poodles. I'm 41. Yikes. Oh my gosh, wait, the poodle tray. I'm scared to get that down. Actually, everything in this booth is kind of pricey, so I'm gonna let it be. Check out this Italian clown situation happening here. Oh, and then the fish is neat, even though it's new, right? No, it's just like a handmade thing. Oh my gosh, please. Yikes, I almost dropped that. Lots of head vases, but they're definitely on the pricey side. This fabulous rubber doll back here. Her eyes are wild. 35. And what's this? Oh my gosh. Ah! No. I'm trying to go super quick and I'm making such a mess. Let's see. Tissue box is cool. Just looking through the dresser boxes. I don't really see anything. Bangles. Those are definitely new. This one looks like it could go either way, actually. Those are new. They're probably all new. Oh, plus I'm being like super picky for what I wait in line for at this point because I'm halfway through and don't have anything. And I kind of want to try and go next door. Ah, the clown faces. 3 for 10. Not bad. I don't see anything else though. Those are really fun for crafters. That's reproduction. These are super cute. I've had these ones before. $12. Oh, the strawberry cookie jars. What? 35? That's insanely cheap. Even though they have a little bit of paint loss. Oh, I love this. I think this, is this what I think it is? It is not. Just kidding. It almost looked Italian. Wait a minute. It's another one of those Unitas. How much is she? Priceless. Oh, of course, it's on this like random side. Well, it's $30. It's not worth getting a key for it. That's how I feel. I'm trying to get out of here. I'm kind of over it. All right. You think I can pull this off? Oh my gosh. Look at the bunny rabbit salt and pepper shakers. $11. Oh, this is way more my speed. I should have just come here first. Oh my gosh, wait, the cats. 32. Is that for the pair? Yeah. Still, that's a pretty good price for a collector. Love that box. I'm not even showing it. I'm like all over the place. Where is it? There it is. Yeah, those cats are great. Oh, I love all this stuff in here. This is making me really question where I'm gonna end up. Oh my gosh, look at all these owls. How much are they? Definitely a little close. A little room, but not enough to justify. Wow, this place is packed with perfection. Oh my gosh. Okay. Deep breath. I only have like half an hour. I really want to look in all the cases because the cases kind of seem like where it's at, but unfortunately I don't have time. Whoa. Look at all the little German mice. How much are they? I can't tell. Where are the prices? Their tags are so tiny. I think they're like 19 each or something. No, 27. Oh, good grief. Yeah, definitely should have come here. That's okay. There will be more. There's always more. In the meantime, I'm just glad I get to get at least a little bit of a sneak peek. See if we can find anything in like 20 minutes. That's kind of nutty. Oh, I love her. She's probably expensive. $115, yeah, for sure. Oh, I love the poo bank, but this drum is what really had my attention. Before I run through the rest, what about these guys? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. It's a single shaker though. And the McCoy, 16, totally fair. Wow, that's neat. This duck thing, Empress Japan. It's like a 4-part planter. Of course, the tag's gonna be on like the last piece I look at. Yeah, $20. That's fair. Whoa. Lots of cutesy stuff. This Mickey doll is kind of calling my name. 24. Look at these jigsaw puzzles. How neat. $4? You think they're complete? I'm a little nervous about that. Oh, so much neat stuff. And then, let's see. I'm trying to be a little picky. This little squeak bear. 6. Whoa. This micro mosaic frame. 48. That's fair for a collector. It's really pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, 25. And probably 25. $8.95? It's really broken. That's why. Dang. This is fabulous. Speaking of fabulous, look at this dress. And this one. Oh my gosh. Wait, stop. Actually, this is important. Oh my gosh. My boyfriend would kill me if I showed up wearing this. So good, though. The teenage figurines, 22. That's about what I would get for those after fees. Man, I'm still bummed about the sunflower. What do we have here? Oh, I already see it. It's up here. Yeah, $135. Too good to be true. The cute little baby stuff. These pig salt and pepper shakers, those are fun. $6. Oh, repaired, that's why. And then the lamb planter, I've had that one a bunch. Oh, wait a minute, this bracelet is awesome. 24 though. Dang. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with everything happening in this case. Humpty Dumpty. Oh my gosh, so cute. 25 though. What was that? Oh, it was a doorknob. Drawer pull, excuse me. Donald Duck. It's kind of cool. I don't know what I would do with that, but yeah, it definitely looks like the cases are where it's at, but definitely is a little more geared towards collectors, so I'm not too upset about it. That's a cool one. What's it gonna be? 45. Super spooky doll. We've got a cow situation. Love the mug. 30 for the set. Measuring cups. Oh, duh. So fun. I've had that set before. That is a good price for that. What is going on here? Is that chalkware? $10. That's kind of cool. Oh, how cool is this? Oh, it's a bingo wheel. How neat. Well, since I ran through pretty quickly, I had the pleasure of going through a couple of these cases again, like slowly at least. Semi-slowly. I love the dry rubbers. The graphic on that is awesome. The thing is, a lot of the stuff I'm interested in is very much so priced at retail, so I can't really put my hands on it, but at least I got to look, and now I know, and I can cross it off my list, and I guess I'm gonna hit the road. The monkeys.
You know what?
Well, I was getting ready to say that was a good way to end the day. However, the day is not over for me. I don't know where I am. I don't know where I'm going. I have whatnot in like an hour and some change. There's so much traffic. Oof, my car looks like it's been through hell. Excuse my language, but that's really the only way to put it. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow at 10 a.m.